So today we are going to talk about the muscles of the hand muscles. In that, first we'll talk about the thenar muscles and the adductor of the thumb. There are other muscles in the hand, that is hypothenar. Then you have all the umbilicus and interossei, they are present in your hand. But right now we are just going to talk about the thenar muscles of the hand and the adductor of the thumb. So thenar muscle of the hand, they are mainly this part of the muscles. So in that, the first is the first is there are three muscles in thenar eminence. It is abductor pollicis brevis, which is the abductor of the thumb. Okay, then flexor pollicis brevis and opponens pollicis. So in that, the first muscle what we are going to talk about is abductor pollicis brevis. Now, abductor pollicis brevis is originated from the scaphoid, the tubercle of the scaphoid, and trapezium bone. We can see in the first figure that there is a tubercle of the scaphoid and trapezium bone. They are giving origin to the abductor pollicis brevis, and inserted into the second figure you can see in a box a proximal phalanx of the uh, uh, first the first proximal phalanx of the thumb. So base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb where it is inserted. So from there, the nerve supply is it is given by the median nerve. We can see in the diagram the abductor pollicis brevis, which is the outermost layer muscle of the thenar eminence, and the action is abduction of the thumb. They are helping you for the abduction of the thumb. Then the second muscle, what we have is flexor pollicis brevis. The flexor pollicis brevis is originated from the flexor retinaculum. Flexor retinaculum, which is present over here in this area at wrist joint, you have this flexor retinaculum. So from here, the muscle will be originated, and the second part is originated from the trapezoid and capitate bone. So you can see in the box there is a trapezoid bone, and then you have a capitate bone. From there, it is getting originated. This trapezoid and capitate bone are the distal row of the carpal bones. So from that, this muscle will be originated, and it is also inserted in the base of the first proximal phalanx of the thumb. So this area, the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb, it is inserted. So from here, the the nerve supply is a median nerve. So we can see here the flexor pollicis brevis in the box. You can see this muscle. It is another thenar eminence muscle. The nerve supply is by the median nerve, and the action is flexion of the metacarpophalangeal joint of the thumb. After that, we have the third muscle, which is opponens pollicis brevis. Opponens pollicis brevis is originated from the flexor retinaculum, and it is inserted into the lateral half of the palmar surface of the shaft of the metacarpal bone of the thumb. So you have metacarpal of the thumb over here. In that, the lateral half of that metacarpal of the shaft of the metacarpal is giving insertion to this opponents pollicis. It is also supplied by median nerve, and the action will be opponents of the finger, thumb. The thumb will be opponents towards the finger. So this movement, the thumb is moving towards this finger, is done by your opponent's pollicis brevis. After that, after these three thenar muscle, the fourth one, the fourth, this side of the fourth muscle, which is adductor of the thumb, is called as adductor pollicis. So adductor pollicis, if you see, it is having two origin. The oblique head, which is originated from the second and third metacarpal bases, while the transverse head originated from the shaft of the third metacarpals. Okay, so you can see in the figure the second and third metacarpals, the base of the metacarpals giving origin to the oblique head, and the transverse head is originated from the shaft of the third metacarpal. The insertion is in the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. On the middle aspect, you can see in the diagram, the insertion is written. So in this way, the adductor pollicis is attached. The nerve supply is given by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Only this muscle is supplied by the ulnar nerve. Rest all three muscles are supplied by the median nerve. And the action is adduction of the thumb. So because it is supplied by the ulnar nerve, in case if it is ulnar injury, only this adductor pollicis will be involved. While in case of median nerve injury, the other three thenar muscles, there were flexor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis brevis, and opponens pollicis brevis. They are involved. So here we come at the end of the thenar muscles.